Hello, and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. I'm your host, Uncle Paulie. Back in October, we had a classic monster movie build-off. And I apologize for the lateness of this recap posting. I'm on the road working and won't be home till at least Christmas. But I finally got all the pieces together after getting things fixed up. But here we go. You could use any 1/64th casting. It must be a classic monster themed video or build. If you have a video, it's to be posted by 31 October and glamour shots to me by 1 November. Well, here is what we have. Please, in the comments, vote for your favorite car, and only vote once, please. On the picture of the car, there will be a number. So please vote by number. You can have any comments you want, but just please vote by number, and in a few weeks' time, we'll tally up the results. So here we go. From Dan's Chop Shop, we have a Jason Voorhees themed Volkswagen. This is pretty damn cool. Here from Dell Warren, we've got a Wolfman themed vehicle. Now look at all the detail that he put in there with the texture and everything. Here from Jason Snyder, we've got a Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. What a pretty cool concept, thinking out of the box. Here from John McCabe, we have a Frankenstein themed vehicle. This is pretty darn excellent. Great job. Here from Cool Cat Custom Diecast, we have a mummy-themed car. Look at the detail that he put into this build. Here from Mike's Mods and Customs, we have Creature from the Black Lagoon diorama. Fantastic work. And finally, from Chevy Land TV, we have the Bride of Frankenstein themed vehicle. Again, thinking out of the box. Thank you for looking at this video. Please, again, vote for your favorite car, and we will have awards for these folks that participated in this build. Thank you, and I hope you have a great holiday with your family, and everything turns out fantastic. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you, and we'll have some other build-offs in the future. But again, thank you. I'm Uncle Paulie. Please subscribe to the channel, and have a great day, and cheers. Enjoy your adult beverage.